I messed up a lot.
Hope that was the last